What makes Modular a great choice as an equipment contract manufacturing partner is the scale. We have 170 employees that are engineers, tool makers, electricians, highly skilled workforce.
An OEM may typically have limited in-house engineering resources, and working with the mechanical design team here in Modular Automation gives them access to all our years of experience in designing complex automation solutions. So the mechanical design team can help to bring value engineering to the project, reviewing the customer's design to ensure that it is suitable for large-scale manufacture and assembly.
When we get a design package from a customer, obviously they expect us to build to that spec or standard. We can't help ourselves but improve it. They're often very surprised at the end result. It was better than what they had ever expected or had done before in the past. We have an excellent supply chain, both in Ireland and in Malaysia in particular. It's the Silicon Valley of tooling.
Every challenge in modular automation is different, but the ingredients to the solution are always the same. Whether it's a problem-solving challenge, whether it's a logistics or a timeline challenge, the solution is always in the team and the people.
Quality is at our core. We've been an ISO 9001 company for nearly 30 years. We are a Deloitte Best Managed company for over 8 years.
No 2 days in modular automation are the same. It's a great opportunity to work on the leading edge of innovation.